I don't know, the reason for him, but as far as I am concerned, we came third in that election behind the PDP. But today in the election petition tribunal, we are not challenging PDP that came second. And that means we are saying that the vote allocated to PDP is correct in the eyes of the law. But the PDP that Obi defending is now challenging the validity of the election that brought Atiku and Bola Tinubu into power. I mean, as a president-elect. PDP is saying, oh, I score the lawful majority vote. Labour Party is saying, no, the vote you have, we are not even challenging because it's in accordance with what we believe in. So that was why he excluded deliberately with Abure, excluded the People Democratic Party after their shenanigans with them. He was now challenging the result of APC. So how on earth will he not cover his eyes in shame for excluding PDP? Why must you not challenge the second person? You are challenging the first. So what is he trying to do? He's trying to play a run-up between PDP and APC. As far as we are concerned, Obi is not doing anything in that election petition. He's only trying to, play on people's intelligence. But most of what I met in this politics, we are wiser. So for him to call like just we have said, anyone henceforth calling for establishment of interim administration, treating fire and bistro in Nigeria, threatening the peace of Nigeria, conducting themselves, in a manner that is likely to contribute to peace, they should be arrested. They are not members of Labour Party. These are the people I call obedient. So if Obi fall into that category, if Abure, the Sovereign National Chairman, falls into that category, that remains their name. But as we are concerned, every obedient, which I believe Obi must have learned a lesson, he must never be seen calling for an interim administration. Supposing he's the one that won, how will he feel if actually Bola Tinubu and Atiku are calling for interim administration? If they say no, follow the due process. He must just not be appropriating and reprobating. He is in the tribunal with Labour Party. Fine. Let us pursue our case. Once we believe there is only a legislative tribunal that can give for justice, we have tabled some far before them. Let us wait until when they make their judgment. And we must also abide by it. Because if we are not ready to abide by it, if the something goes in our favor, and the other people now say no, they are not going to agree, what do we want to say? Despite all this acrimony, that we are just trying to cause, within the Nigerians and judiciary. That's our point on that. So the obedient are the people who want to cause war in Nigeria, married themselves clandestinely, as Labour Party members. They are not a member. They are just a bunch of thugs who want to, use Labour Party cover to call mayhem in Nigeria. And I am telling Nigerians today, I am telling the Director General of Police with due respect, I am telling the Director General of SSS with due respect that they are not members of Labour Party. If anyone call for a certain interim administration, including Peter Obi, they should be arrested.